Hi guys. In this video, we are gonna do the green screen background change with another video. First, import the green screen and background video. Then, drag background video to the timeline. After that, drag green screen video to the V2 in the timeline. The green screen video is in small frame size compared to sequence, so we can scale it to the frame size. Then, go to the effects and search for Ultra key. Click the Ultra key and drag into V2 on the timeline. Then, go to Effects Control. In the Ultra key option, you can select the ink dropper tool and click in the green area. Now you can see that the green background has changed into another video. That's all guys, thanks for watching, please subscribe for more videos.